Hello, everyone! Wow, what a beautiful background! Good day, everyone, and welcome to Aquatica. By the way, I'm Jennifer Bird, and I would like to meet my friend. Together with the winners, one of us nine. On your left side, there are the female South American felines that we have. And according to her trainer, she is the prettiest. Wow, confident. Her name is Ivy. Together with trainer Gina, say hi! While on the other side, the youngest female South American felines that we have. And according to her trainer, she is just that she is. Oh, don't be shy, girl. Her name is Sandra. Together with trainer Johnny, say hello. Now, let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why they're called fish or feathers for marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey, ladies, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? The term guinea bird may be also translated as wing-footed. Since their flippers to look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater as they swim from place to place, right, ladies? And you know, they're often mistaken as a seal because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and a sea lion is the fact they have bigger front flippers. And they can also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's the fine demonstration. How about a round of applause for sea lion friends? And you know what, guys? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? How about another round of applause for Silas Brand? As you can see, their body is covered with a thick coat of short, coarse hair, and their whiskers help the sea lion's sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers, which make them sensitive. Wow, nice fine. Hey! They may also use their whiskers to aid and navigation, or to detect vibrations from prey in the water. And their small sternal ears give them a good sense of hearing, both above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like many marine mammals, can see both above and underwater. They have keen eyesight, but no color vision. In the wild, many inhabit water close to shore, lack rocky fish like wood, and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities, which can easily scale rocky terrain. Well, check these out. Very strong ground keepers. Now, let's talk about their swimming abilities, and let's start with Icy, the pretty cat. Sea lions generally cruise at around 11 miles per hour, using the rowing movement of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudder for steering. And that is the normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you, Isis and Renardina. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a bird speed up to ready Sandra 25 miles per hour. That is so fast. How about a run of gun for Sandra? Just sexy, yeah. Wow, nice bird. And another one, Chili person. Now, here's an interesting story about the sea lion. Did you know that the US Navy has trained a few of them to take part in their special operation? Yeah, that's right. They're able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes. And they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the best Navy diver could be envious of. And since cannot be detected by radars underwater, they're thought to recognize in a voice underwater mine. Alright, ladies trainers, are you ready? Well then, salute! Now, let's march. Ready? Hop, 2, 3, 4, hop, 2, salute! Now, this time, could you please join our CYNA salute in a count of 3? Everybody please salute and make this one loud. Alright guys, are you ready? Hey guys, I can hear you. Are you ready? Okay, let me count. 1, 2, 3. Salute everybody. Thank you so much. Well, still answer on this search and we cover treatment from the water, H2O. Okay, brothers, what first? The ring, what is that ring? Still first. And they got it! How about a round of applause for Isis and Sandra? Great job, ladies. And another one, they asking for it. Okay, winners, what's next? The ball. How do you think they get the ball? It's a ball volley. Careful, ladies. Almost there. Careful. Steady in. Fantastic. How about a round of applause for Sheila and Gwen? Excellent work, ladies. Now, this time, would you love to see a dance number from our Sheila and Gwen? Hey guys, where's the energy? Would you love to see the dance? Here's my drum. Let's move it! Clap your hands, everybody, come on! Now, don't let the side by side. And the believer dancing. Rock and roll, Isis. Into the water. To water volley. Twist it and turn it. What a beautiful twisting, Sandra. And around the world we'll go. Round and round. On the other side, round and round. Okay, ladies, so let that boogie boogie. Boogie boogie, shake, shake, shake. Our favorite part, the boogie shake it. Shake those booties. Go, players. Yes, boss. And keep on rolling. Okay, ladies, so then what you got? People of the crowd, ready your camera because this is the best part. Steady in. Arriba! And for the finale. Steady in. Now let's go. Number 6. We hope you all enjoyed spending your afternoon here at Aquatica with your newfound friends, the South American sea lions, Isis and Sandra. And we also hope that even after you leave, you will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember, what we do here on land greatly affects our friends in the sea. Sea lions, like many marine animals, cannot survive a drought-free environment. So let's keep our surroundings clean Aside from pollution, there are many other threats to their survival all over the world, such as climate change and illegal hunting. You can learn more about this inside our oceanarium. Always keep in mind that we're stewards of our planet and that each one of us must do what we can to protect and conserve all inhabitants of our Mother Earth, including ourselves. So on behalf of IC and Trainer Gina, Sandra and Trainer Johnny, all of us here at Waika and Manila Ocean Park, we would like to thank everyone for visiting us today. We hope you all enjoy and visit us again soon. So take care and have a nice day. Say goodbye to our Tiwan friends. Bye! And again, thank you for watching!